welcome to Roadie back in on another adventure. The rain has finally stopped, it's just gone 4 o'clock. It's Monday, what, the 31st of August? No, 31st of August, 31st of July. Or is it the 1st of August? I don't know. Doesn't really matter, does it? Here we go. High Bridge. Oh, I'm there, am I? Right, okay. So what I've done is, I was scouring the map to try and kind of sort out something about 40 miles from home. So I've got like 40-50 miles from home. So I've got like a nice 100-mile round trip, and something that I can do 2 or 3, 1 or 2 nights. I was thinking, what can I do? There's got to be something cool. And I thought, well, what's my local river? My local river is the River Stour. That's the River Stour. And I thought, hang on a minute, where does that terminate? Where does it end? So I was scanning Google Maps. I've traced it all the way back up somewhere, and it's about 40 miles away. And I thought, let's go to the end of the River Stour. So I'm following it up. I'm on this road, Calgrove Road. I'm going up that way, and etc. So they're 40 odd miles. A bit of this and a bit of that. You're going to see as I go along. It's now what, 4:30, something like that. I'm just going to meander. You know me. I'm just going to take my time, chill out. See you on the road that way.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life.
It's a bit windy.
But turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
That road there, that's the Calgrove Road. And the River Stour, you can't see it, but it's running along there somewhere in between these fields and stuff. So what I'm doing is stick to as close to the river as possible, and I'm gonna ride all the way to the end of where the river starts, where the spring is. There's on Google Maps, if you follow the River Stour up, you'll see it. It's I forget what it's called now. I'll put it on the screen. It's it's like north of Blandford, north of Sturminster Newton. Basically, I'm following the Calgrove Road all the way. I'm going on to the North Dorset Trailway. It takes me all the way to Sturn Newton, then north from there, then massive hill. Got my bivvy and I got my tarp tonight, so I'm going to be wild camping tonight and probably tomorrow night. Oh, look at that, the sun is fully shining now, fantastic. nice. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that came through on the camera, but it's like a metal work kind of cyclists. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It looked like it was going to chuck it down. The clouds are still there, but looks like they've gone past us. Ole! Ole, ole, ole! Check this out, this is like community spirit thing. This is really cool. So my bike's just there. There's the lookout. And look, they put the bench here. Got this like little oasis. Pond down there. It says on the thing that's like a yoga thing. Obviously doing some polytunnel stuff over there. Oh, there's a fly on my camera. This is just brilliant. And you got that lovely view. They put this in to give a bit of something back, I suppose. This is lovely, isn't it? It's really nice when communities kind of come together and do something. Yeah, just thought I'd show you that. Lovely. That's Hambledon Hill. Quick update. I'm just now cruising through these fields. I just finished up at Stour Newton about that way, and now I'm glad to be back onto this lot. This is lovely. I stopped off at the co-op in Shillingston, got the old the obligatory sausage roll and some chocolate. I've got a curry as well tonight. Lovely. Right, I'm carrying on now. I'm 25 miles in. It was 40 miles, I think, from memory, to the monument and stuff. Oh yeah, I've still got the end of the River Stour to get to. I don't know, we'll see. There's some lovely woodland around here. I might camp up early, and if I get up tomorrow morning, I can see all this stuff without having to rush off. You know, I can kind of chill out. I don't know. We'll see. I'll catch you back when I've got a little plan. Well, the rain is coming. You can just see it in that puddle over there, I think. Oh, lovely. God, look at that. What are they, pelicans? Well, this is the perfect time to stop and have a quick coffee before pushing on. It's about 7:30. till 8 now. Got an hour and a bit of daylight left. The lights are on. Just a little descent and then back to the ascending again. Yeah, I think it's going to be like this for the next few miles. I'm just gradually kind of climbing up this, I can't remember what it's called now, white something. Anyway, I'll stick on the screen. Anyway, whew, I might even get to the top, you never know. Rain jacket's out. We're just heading into Fifed Magdalene, I don't know. Bloody miserable. Keep on going, eh? Don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's a rainbow just as I'm about to start ascending this beast of a hill. It's finally stopped. Look, I've got this sun. Look, this is part of the cycle network 253. I didn't actually realise that when I plotted it, but you know, I just use like Garmin Connect, you know, it does the popular routing heat map thing. There we are, check that out. Whoa. What a view that is. Beautiful. Wincanton Borton. Oh, hang on, I should have gone left there. Hang on. So it's actually starting to go dark now, it's like 8:45. So I'm going to carry on along the route. If I come across like a wooded area with a bit of flat ground, I'm just going to camp up, even if I haven't reached the monument or the tower. How cool is that? Alright. I've just come off the road. I'm 37 miles in. I'm like 3 miles away from the monument, but it's now just going to be up. So I thought, you know what, it's 9 o'clock now. The sun's just starting to set, and I thought if I've got another 3 miles of going uphill, I'm not guaranteed a camp spot up at that monument. I just saw this little bit of woodland on the side of the road, and this looks, it's not too bad. It's been obviously rained on throughout the day, like all that rain that I was caught in, that's softened it up nicely. But this will do for the night. It's flat, it's off the road. Anyway, I'm going to get set up. Slight spanner in the works is that I didn't realise how close I was to the A303. I'm hearing cars. It's gone 9 o'clock, so I'm hoping it will maybe die down a bit, but I'm not going to put the tarp up. I'm going to trust the BBC weather app. It says 0% chance of rain until 8 AM. Now I'm going to be up way before that, so Fingers crossed. So what do we have for dinner this evening, sir? There we have Princess mild chicken curry. Yeah, don't worry, I've got some Tabasco to go with that, which I need to get out of my case. Bit of peri peri basmati rice. Stick that in the pan in a minute. Got my cook set up, cooking that underneath my pedal, which hopefully nothing drops in, and wash that down with a hobgoblin. Give that a couple of minutes, give that a nice warm through. It's already cooked in it. Oh, I got some Tabasco sauce in the thing. Oh yeah. Loading it up a bit. Alright, cheers all. Hobgoblin. I can't wait any longer. Oh god. That was a lively one. No, you probably can't see me because of the light, but anyway, cheers. Oh yeah, I need that. Oh. Yeah, it's almost 40 miles today, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to get up early. I mean, it's getting light at bloody, 4 AM, so I'll be up probably about 4 AM. Go and see that monument. Looking forward to that. That was another thing as well. I didn't want to be clambering around trying to find the spring for the River Stour. You know, when it's this time of night, because it would be about now when I got there, and it's dark, sunset. So I think I made the right choice. Fingers crossed. Curry and beer and curry night on a Monday night. I've got to say, I had one of them before on, I can't remember when it was now, but it was really, I mean, it's mild, it's a mild curry, it's a bit crap really, but they don't make anything any more like Madras or anything, but put some of that Tabasco sauce in it, that makes that much better, a lot more palatable. Yeah, right, I'm going to tuck into this, and unless anything really good happens, I'll see you guys in the morning. Buenas noches. Having here or not, but 0% chance of rain. My arse. It's now chucking it down. I've just got my head in my bivvy, and yeah, I'm just waiting it out. It's 3:30, 4:15. It's not quite the sun hasn't come up yet, so I'm just gonna wait this out. Oh, I'm not getting wet or anything. I've just got my, my bivvy's protecting me. But I wish I put my tarp up now. But hey, we live and learn. But I can't be asked to get it out now for an hour or so. So I'm just gonna sit with my head under the bivvy, another maybe half hour or so of sleep. Buenas noches again.